Hello everyone, this is Manoj Pandey. I welcome you all after a long time on this YouTube channel. So, let me first tell you what we are going to do in this video. So, I have decided to make a video series for class 10th students who want to learn English, who want to study English. Okay. So, in this series, I'll teach you English. Okay. So, before we move on to our this series, we need to learn what is our whole course. Okay, so let me tell you that your book is divided in two sections, section A and section B. So section B is basically it is a grammar. So I know, and you also agree with that you all know grammars already so much, and there are a lot of way to learn grammar. There are a lot of materials also available on YouTube and internet, so you can learn grammar very easily from there also. I also move on that, but later. First I'll come with section A. Okay, first we will go with section A. So what is section A? Section A is divided in three parts. Your first part is prose, your second part is poetry, and your third part is supplementary reader. Yes, so your section A is divided in three parts. Okay, so in this video let's see what is our section A course. Okay, so we will go in briefly in this video. From next video we will start from first chapter. Okay, and we will go first chapter, then second chapter, and third chapter. Chapter wise we will continue this series. Okay, so first we will come on prose. So prose first chapter is The Enchanted Pool. The Enchanted Pool, and this is the story taken from Mahabharata, which was written by Vedvyas. But this story is written by Sri Rajagopalachari. Sri Rajagopalachari was the first Indian who got Bharat Ratna award. It is the highest civilian award of India. So it is The Enchanted Pool. And your second chapter is A Letter to God. A Letter to God is a story of a poor farmer. It is written by G.L. Fionn. It is written by G.L. Fionn. Okay, so as you know, it is a story of a poor farmer who want help from God, who wrote a letter to God. So when we come on this chapter, we will read in detail. Our third chapter is the Ganga. The Ganga, as you all know, it is very holy river of India, and this chapter is written by our first Prime Minister, our first Prime Minister, who was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Sorry, I was going to take Narendra Modi, who is the current Prime Minister. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, has written this, the Ganga. Okay, and our fourth chapter is Socrates. Socrates, we call him in Hindi Sukrat. Yes, Sukrat, whom we call in English Socrates. Okay, so it is biography of Socrates. So biography is very big, but this chapter is taken from the biography of Socrates, and it is written by Rhoda Power. Okay, and our fifth chapter is Torch Bearers. So Torch Bearer is a lesson, and in this lesson there are two stories. Okay, this chapter is divided in two parts. There is two stories in this chapter, Torch Bearers, and it is written by W.M. Rayburn. W.M. Rayburn is the writer of Torch Bearers. First story is a rich merchant, and second story is a Guru Nanak Dev. Okay, and our sixth chapter and the last chapter of prose is our Indian music, stories, and anecdotes. Okay, so it is written by R. Srinivasan. R. Srinivasan is very famous writer. Okay, so this is your first part of section A. This is all is prose. Okay, now come on to second part of section A. It is poetry, and there is 4 poems in this part. First is The Fountain. The Fountain The Fountain is composed by James Russell Lowell. It is the poem which is composed by James Russell Lowell. Okay. Now come to next chapter. Our second chapter in poetry section is The Palm of Life. The Palm of Life is written by S.W. Longfellow. We will read this chapter in detail when we go on continue with our videos. Okay, don't worry about it. And our third chapter is The Village Song. The Village Song is actually very good poem, and it is written by the first lady governor of any Indian state. And who is she? She is the Nightingale of India. Nightingale of India. Now there is one question, who is Nightingale of India? So Nightingale of India is none other than Sarojini Naidu. Yes, she is the Nightingale of India, and she is the first governor of Uttar Pradesh also. Okay, and our fourth and last chapter of poetry is The Nation Builders. The Nation Builders is composed by R.W. Emerson. R.W. Emerson here has composed this poem. And the third part of section A is supplementary reader, and there is only 3 chapters in this section. Okay, so the first chapter is The Inventor Who Kept His Promise. So it is a story of an inventor who kept his promise at every rate. Yeah, he got failed many times. But he did not lose his courage, and he just experimented over than 1,000 times, and finally he got succeed. So it is a story of the inventor of electric bulb, and he is Thomas Alva Edison. It is a story of Thomas Alva Edison, and it is written by it is about Thomas Alva Edison. There is not mentioned the writer of this chapter, so we can't say who is written it. And the second chapter is The Judgment Seat of Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya, we all know Chandragupta Vikramaditya. His full name was Chandragupta Vikramaditya, and he was the king of Gupta Vansha. Okay, it is not Chandragupta Maurya. He is other king. He was the king of Mauryan dynasty. He was the first king of Mauryan dynasty, Chandragupta Maurya. But this Chandragupta is different from that Chandragupta. It is Chandragupta Vikramaditya. So, and he is known for his judgment. As you can see, as you can know by the name of this chapter, The Judgment Seat of Vikramaditya. And this is this is a story adapted by Sister Nivedita. Sister Nivedita has adapted this story. And who was Sister Nivedita? Sister Nivedita was the pupil of Swami Vivekananda. Okay, and our third and final chapter of this section and this part also is My Greatest Olympic Prize. My Greatest Olympic Prize. So basically it is the autobiography of Jesus Owens. Jesus Owens has written his autobiography, and this chapter has taken from his biography. So it is his experiment. In this chapter he has told us that how he won the Olympic medal, and he was very nervous at that time. I think this is not right time to study this chapter. We will come in this chapter. So for this, you have to come again on this channel to know more about your chapter, your course, and about these stories. If you are not a student of class 10th, then also you can join us for know the poetry, prose, and many stories. So please, if you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe, and if you could share this video, please share, and please, if you like, if you not like, then it's not problem. But if you like and if you want that I move ahead in this way, so please like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel. So we will meet in our next class. Till that, you can contact me on this different social media channel: Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp also. Okay, so we will move towards ending. We will meet in our next video. Till that, please stay at home, be happy, be safe, be positive. Bye.